Imagine earning Bitcoin every time you buy coffee, groceries, or gas. No waiting, no points to redeem, just instant crypto rewards. That's the promise of the Gemini Credit Card. But in 2026, when crypto markets are more volatile than ever, is this card really the smartest way to earn crypto, or just another shiny fintech trap? I've been testing several crypto cards over the past year: BlockFi, Coinbase, and even Venmo's new crypto cashback program. Most of them sound amazing at first. Earn crypto instantly, no annual fees, revolutionize your spending. But when you read the fine print, things look different. So I decided to spend a few months using the Gemini Credit Card for daily purchases to find out if it's truly worth it or if the hype has outgrown the value. The Gemini Credit Card makes some bold promises: up to 3% back on dining, 2% on groceries, 1% on everything else, all paid instantly in your choice of over 60 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and stablecoins like GUSD. It also advertises no annual fee, instant crypto rewards, and top-tier security through Mastercard's global network. Sounds like a dream setup, but as always, let's break down what's real, what's risky, and what you should actually expect. Origin and background. The Gemini Credit Card launched in early 2022, created by the Winklevoss twins, founders of the Gemini Exchange. It's issued by WebBank and runs on Mastercard, which adds legitimacy and global acceptance. The Gemini Exchange itself is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services, which is one of the strictest in the U.S. So yes, it's a real card backed by a real financial institution, not a crypto startup running offshore. Reward mechanics. Here's where Gemini stands out. Rewards are instant. The moment a transaction clears, your chosen crypto automatically appears in your Gemini account. No monthly batching or manual redemption like traditional cards. However, that instant reward cuts both ways. The crypto price you receive is locked at the time of purchase. So if Bitcoin drops 5% tomorrow, your 3% reward might instantly become 2.8% in value. The same volatility that makes crypto exciting also makes it unpredictable. To their credit, Gemini lets you switch your reward currency anytime. If you prefer stability, you can earn in GUSD, their dollar-pegged stablecoin, and later convert to Bitcoin when the market looks better. That flexibility is actually one of the strongest features of this card. Fees, APR, and security. Annual fee, none. Foreign transaction fees, none. A nice bonus for travelers. APR, typically between 18% and 29%, depending on credit score. Security, two-factor authentication, Mastercard zero liability, and optional Gemini Custody Vault integration. That means, in terms of raw banking infrastructure, the Gemini card performs like a high-quality, mainstream credit card, but with a crypto twist. However, note that Gemini still makes money on crypto conversion spreads. When you earn a reward, Gemini buys the crypto for you at slightly above market rate, which means you're not getting the full exchange value. It's small, usually 0.5% to 1%, but worth knowing. I used the Gemini credit card for 2 full months, covering everything from groceries to travel bookings. Here's what I noticed. Reward speed, instant, just as advertised. The crypto hit my account seconds after each purchase. App experience, smooth. The Gemini app's rewards tab shows live tracking for every transaction and the market value of your crypto. Fluctuations. During my first week, my Bitcoin rewards lost around 4% in value due to market drops. But later, when BTC rebounded, those same rewards ended up 6% higher. Support response times were decent, around 24 hours for ticket replies. One underrated feature is the ability to switch your reward coin anytime. Midway through my testing, I changed from Bitcoin to Ethereum and later to Gemini Dollar, GUSD. Every new transaction instantly followed the new preference. No delays or confusion. Pros: instant crypto rewards, no waiting periods, no annual or foreign transaction fees, backed by Mastercard and a US-regulated exchange. Choose from 60-plus crypto reward options. Simple app and transparent dashboard. Cons: rewards can lose value quickly due to crypto volatility. No bonus categories beyond the standard 3-2-1 structure. High APR if you carry a balance. Gemini applies small spreads on crypto conversions. Basically, if you pay your balance monthly and already invest in crypto, this card fits perfectly. But if you're chasing stable rewards, it's not ideal. So, is the Gemini Credit Card the best card for 2026? If you love crypto, understand volatility, and pay off your card monthly, Yes, it's arguably the best crypto rewards card available right now. The instant reward system and flexibility to earn stablecoins or top cryptos make it both fun and functional. But if you're looking for predictable cashback, traditional cards like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or Amex Blue Cash Preferred still outperform in stability and total value. Bottom line, crypto-savvy users, great choice. Casual spenders, stick with regular cashback. Investors, treat rewards as micro-investments, not guaranteed cash. If you're considering the Gemini Credit Card, check the current crypto market before applying. Your reward value depends on it. And if you want to see how Gemini stacks up against Coinbase Card or the new Venmo Crypto Rewards Card, I've got a full comparison video right here. Subscribe for more honest fintech reviews where we actually test the products, not just read the marketing.